Hello again everyone, it's Mark. Thank you again for watching my last video. Really do appreciate it. My channel has grown so much since then and I can't thank yous enough. So today's video, if you remember in my stash of 2019 I mentioned about doing a rack for my Roman candles. Well, today's the day is I'm going to go and do that. I'm going to make the rack off camera just to save you being a little bit bored of looking at my dodgy measuring and cutting and stuff. And then I'll get back to you once it's made, and then we'll put the Roman candles in it, and then I can talk you through how I've done it, how I've made it, how much it's cost me to do, and then you could possibly do it yourselves for your own Roman candles. Right guys, so this is the actual finished product of my Roman candle rack. So as you can see, I've got it at nice little angles either side, which will fill the sky nice. I'll have a big fountain in the middle as well, sort of shooting up from here, so it'll give it a cool effect. So I used 2 planks of 2x4s. I cut that into 4 pieces, and then I used the taller sides to have the supports. I've just used standard tie wraps that you can get anywhere to secure the tops. And then at the bottom I've just got another one securing the bottom, and I've also got a tiny bit of plywood there just to support the actual firing of the actual firework itself. So yeah, the 2 planks of wood cost me £2.50 each from my local DIY store. Tie wraps £1.99 for a pack of 50. Screws, big long screws they'll be, just to get through the actual thickness of the wood. I've got one coming in this side and one for that side at the bottom, and then same on these 2 sides coming across also. So yeah, roughly making that cost me about £7 or £8, something like that, which isn't too expensive. Gives you a decent rack, nice hold, nice and sturdy. I'll obviously secure it even more when it comes to actually shooting it, but I'll literally just have a bit of quick fuse going across from here to there, and then an igniter in the middle just so they both go off at the same time, and it gives it a cool effect. So yeah, that's what we're up to, and that is hopefully how you can make your own racks as well. Nothing fancy, nothing too clean or whatever, but it does the job. Guys, that's it. That's my video on how to build a rack. Thank you very much for watching if you're still here. As I said in my Stash of 2019 video, I've got a few new things coming up for you as well in the future. I've got how to secure my fireworks, which I've never seen done anywhere before, and I've never seen it on YouTube either, so that'll give it a great little video for you. I've also got the setup video coming up. I've also got the display video coming up. These videos will all be out in the next 2 weeks, hopefully, because my firing date will be the 2nd of November. So thank you again for watching. I've got a link in the description for my Facebook page, which will keep you all updated. I put small videos and pictures and stuff up on there, and little statuses, just to keep you guys in the loop. So if you're running like that, you'll be able to keep up to date with a lot of my stuff coming up too. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more.